Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Insights tutorials dedicated to the Autodesk Revit. As you know, Revit is an excellent and leading software in the industry of architecture. So if you want to do working on architectural projects, so you also need to know everything about Revit as well. So if you are ready to begin your journey in the world of Revit, I am here for helping you. In my lectures, I will tell you everything about Revit from basic to the advanced level. And in this video, we will see all basic things that you need to know for start working on it. So let's start. While opening Revit, its home page shows you several options for starting your new project and having some existing one. It also has two main categories that are projects and families. Basically, project is a whole architectural project that are made by several components putting together. While Revit family is a single composition that can be used in single or multiple Revit projects. You can create your own choice of family as well by using families templates, which we will discuss in detail in our future videos. So now moving forward, Revit also have four main templates that are the more specific one for construction, the optimized one for architecture, the skeleton and material for structure, and the conductors and tools for systematic one. So this is all about the templates and homepage of Revit. In the next lecture, we will see about the interfaces and some architectural tools for starting your project. So if this lecture is helpful for you, so don't forget to subscribe and visit my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.